The Apple Orchard, a Rain Francis nightmare. In the orchard dark as night I wander blind, despite my fright. The wind is still, but whispers stir. A monster lurks, of that I'm sure. I scan the rows of apple trees, one by one, then twos and threes. My footsteps snap the frozen grass. I've reached the edge, the dark impasse. Shivering from cold and fright, my breath is taken by the night. A lonely apple hangs up high, a creak, a hush, a labored sigh. I peer into the hollow blue. My dear, it's time to bid adieu. Eyes ablaze, the demon grins, its prickly skin as sharp as pins. Its evil voice revives my fear, its nasty smile grins ear to ear. Its fiery eyes seem to ignite, I cower at its ghastly sight. In this orchard you will stay and join the rest who came this way. It points to rows of lifeless trees, imploring branches, silent pleas. I run, I cannot flee. The demon catches up to me. A crash, a screech, its cry of glee. The last I see, the apple tree.